Hello world, this is ML and I am back with another video vlog. But this time I'll be doing a hotel review. The name of the hotel is Hotel Mirabeau Eiffel, Paris. Before I proceed, this is not a sponsored video. I paid for the hotel with my own money. Now on to the hotel review. Okay, all right. Let's start off with the evacuation plan route with multiple languages. To your left, you have a TV. Okay. To your left here, the bathroom. Now, simple. You have the assisted shower. You have the shower heads. Plenty of, rails to hold on to so you don't slip and fall. Ample towels. Toilet paper. Your toilet bowl. Standalone shower. And you have your mirror. Peace. Oh, see little stuff like this, okay? This counts, you know what I mean? Look at this. I have to do it twice. Peace. It's nice touch. Okay. Your sink. Now, I don't know what is this or what is this about. It says Shaver 2000. I really don't know what's that about. Maybe it's a vacuum. Oh, it's a blow dryer made in Italy. So here we have shower caps and your soap, baby soap. It says baby soap. You see that? And 2 cups. All right. And your bin, trash bin, small trash bin. Oh, wait a minute. We have complimentary hair and body gel. 2-in-1. Another one, same. And that's it. That's a wrap. Simple. Not too fancy. Okay, you have a mirror here. Peace. Right. So once again, these Thule bags, I am not sponsored, but I'm in Paris right now and I travel light. This is for a 4 days, 3 nights type of situation, and you know, I travel light now, and I seem to get everything all in one here, you know. So I have this and a camera case. That's it. So this is my Thule Chasm 40L. Once again, I am not sponsored, but thus far, this bag, it's pretty durable. All right, got my orange one here. So anyhow, move on. We have the table. All right, you have your phone. Oh, also, by the way, get yourself one of these when you're in Paris, or when you're in Europe, period. Get yourself one of these, okay? I will leave a link in the description so you could, you know, get one whenever you decide to go to Europe. This, man, listen, look at the ports, okay? In Europe, that's the ports, okay? You can't just stick this regular thing here, all right? You have to use one of these, all right? Boom. And then, boom. And now it's charging. See that? All right. So there you go. Another trash bin. And a small closet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hangers. 7 hangers. And then your shelves unit. More shelves. Okay. And your safe. Safe. Okay. To put your valuables in there. To put your thousands in your small fridge. More shelves to put your shoes. It's a little bit off. There you go. I fixed it. You're welcome. And next, the bed. There you go. This is supposed to be a double bed. Okay. Supposedly, the double is a full size, but it seems to be a bit larger, maybe a queen or a full size or a full/queen. But it says on the description of this bedroom, this is a double size bed. All right, you have a nightstand with a nice touch of a lamp. And on the other side, another nightstand and a lamp. Headboard with 4 pillows, clean sheets, carpeted floors, and that's a wrap. My final thoughts. First and foremost, let's start off with the front desk. He greeted us. He acknowledged us. He was helpful. Even though in the beginning he couldn't find the reservation, but nevertheless, he came through and he used the last name to confirm our reservation. That was that. In my opinion, the check-in was a breeze. Move along. The room. The room is small, quite small. It reminds me of like a studio. Well, actually, a studio is bigger because some studios have kitchens, and this is just basically a room with a bathroom with a small closet with a study desk. But nevertheless, it is clean, quiet, no mildew smell, no dirty smell. The sheets seems to be clean. The bathroom seems to be clean. And that's that. So in my closing arguments or my closing of this video, I am happy to be back in Paris, France, or some may say Paris. So what I'm gonna do is rest, take a nap. It's still light outside. It's about 5:53 p.m. Paris time. It's Friday, February 17th, 2023. So I'm gonna try to take a nap or maybe just rest up, get myself, freshen up a little bit and see what we got going in town and, eat dinner. But that trip going to Paris was tiring. Even though I missed the flight going to Paris, straight flight, it's all good. I caught the flight from JFK to London, and I was able to lay flat in that flight. And from London, I transferred over to British Airways, and I was able to catch the 12 noon flight. So, British Airways, that particular plane reminds me of JetBlue planes, but that's just me. So it's good. The room is good. It's all good. If you like what I'm doing, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Any questions, leave it on the comment box. Thank you for watching. Once again, this is ML from KadeersTV. Hello world, bye world.